everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. It is kind of a slow week. I actually had some stuff on my list that I wanted to get, but the items were not on sale. So I don't know, I just thought like they have some certain things, but certain items are not on sale. And I didn't have the right coupons for it, which is fine. I don't care. Walgreens has been really slow lately. I'm really hoping with the new year they're stepping it up. If you guys haven't looked, I did do a preview of all the Walgreens booklet ads. I do that. I try to do that every time, but the store I used to go to all the time, my favorite employees don't work there anymore, and I just feel like I'm being judged. So I really try not to go to that store unless I absolutely have to. But I was there picking up a picture the other day, and I asked, hey, do you guys have that book? So they usually know I do it because I'm a blogger, so that's why I do it. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, I was looking at all the Christmas stuff, which all the Christmas stuff is right now 50% off. They have a lot of toys for 50% off. So if you guys are looking for specific toys that you guys want to buy now, go for it. I think those will be 50% off for a while. I think they wait a lot longer for those to go down, but just kind of keep an eye on for that stuff. But they will be going down to 70% off soon, and then 90% I think is January 16th. Now I did make a predictions video of when those items will be going down. So I talked to the CVS manager, and she told me that 70% is going off next week and 90% is going off the weekend after that. So just giving you guys a heads up if you guys are shopping at CVS or Walgreens. But my store had quite a few stuff of the Christmas, and I just kind of looked at it and I'm just like, nope, not cheap enough. But they did have a lot of stuff that I could get for gifts, but again, not cheap enough. So I'm gonna wait until it hits 70% off and then 90% off. 90% off, most likely I'll get it, but I don't need it. So, and that's one thing why you guys aren't seeing me do a lot of hauls for clearance, is because I don't need it. I have so much stuff, you guys, it's ridiculous. Like my basement where I film my videos, I have piles and piles and piles of boxes, and a lot of it's not just my stockpile, a lot of it's just stuff that I do for videos, and it's like they just sit in boxes and I don't do anything to them. So that's why you guys are seeing me do a little bit less hauls. Another thing is I'm pregnant and I am burnt out. I am burnt out on couponing. I still love doing it, but I just need, it's not like I need a break. I just want to not do it all the time, which is fine. I mean, when I do these videos, it takes me like a good 2 hours after I get home before I even get ready to even edit my videos from filming it. I eat something, but I'm not trying to complain, but there's this one thing I'm just trying to do is cut back on a lot of stuff. I want to donate a ton of crap to like Goodwill. Not just my stockpile, but I'm talking about just crap in general. I have so much crap. I just want to get rid of it. So I need to start doing this before the baby comes. But I have a feeling once the baby comes, I'll have tons of motivation because I'll be off of work. I will be getting, I know you don't get enough sleep, but I will be getting sleep because a husband will be taking care of her during the daytime and I take care of her at night. So it's kind of confusing, but I have 4.5 months left to go, almost, about a little less than 5 months to go. I want to get my basement cleaned, and I want to get her room cleaned. But I know you guys are like, just shut up already and get to the haul. But I did get very little at Walgreens. So right now they got the Scott's bath tissues. $5. They're always $5 as long as it has a price on it. I printed off a 50-cent coupon from, I went to Kleenex.com, but it actually takes you to Scott's brand savings or whatever, but you guys could go whatever, you just sign up. So I printed off a 50-cent off coupon, plus there is a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Now you guys just have them scan that once, even though you're getting two different items, like I got the paper towels and the toilet paper, you just need to have them scan it once and it'll take it off both of those items. So you guys will end up paying $3.25 for the toilet paper, but then there's an Ibotta deal just for the toilet paper for $1 off. So you guys will end up getting this for $2.25, which I think is a pretty good deal. I try to get these under $3 is my goal for this stuff, which I think is a pretty good deal. I have so much paper products, you guys, it's ridiculous. My husband at one point was like, you know, we need to get more paper products. And I'm like, no, we have enough. And then when we dug out all of our Christmas boxes, because we have a tiny little storage area where we keep our Christmas decorations, and out came like all the paper products, and he's like, okay, we don't need any more. And I'm like, exactly. But I really like the Scott's brand. I mean, it's not the greatest, but I actually really like it, and it works. You guys can do the same deal with the paper towels minus the Ibotta deal. So you guys will pay $5, you use that 50-cent off coupon, plus that $1.25 off wigs or Walgreens booklet coupon. You guys would just get this for $3.25. That comes out to be just about 50 cents a roll, but then there's the 25-cent mark, but I think that's still a pretty good deal. I mean, you could go to the Dollar Tree and get one roll of paper towels for $1, but otherwise here you get 6 for 50 cents. So I think that's a pretty good deal, and I like Scott's. I think it's really good, and the ripples are nice. So wanted to share with you guys with those two deals. I ended up doing the Crest deal. Now, my store didn't have it labeled. And I'm like, okay, so what can happen? And I asked them to price check it, and she did. And I'm like, okay, that works. So my toothpaste was labeled, but not the mouthwash, which was fine. So the toothpaste is, I forgot what I was saying. It's $2.99. And the mouthwash is $2.99. Now you guys can, I only had one P&G right now, so I usually wait till tomorrow to get my coupons. But you guys want to use 2 $1 off Crest coupons and 2 $1 off Scope or Crest mouthwash. If you guys only have one of those coupons, there are also digitals that you guys can use. So you guys would use those coupons. You guys would pay $7.96 for all 4 items, but then you guys will get a $6 register reward. Now I left my register reward upstairs in my pile of receipts, so you guys will get $6 back, making everything $1.96 or 49 cents. Now they usually say don't pay for toothpaste, but hey, 49 cents is still a better deal than nothing, and I think 49 cents for mouthwash is a pretty good deal. So $1.96 for all 4 of these is a pretty great deal. And then a lot of people I saw were going crazy over Almay. Now, I didn't really do this sale because I wasn't really feeling it. But I ended up just checking because I saw it in the Walgreens booklet that they had it on sale at that store. So I looked at my clearance stuff. Now, I always look at my clearance stuff and I scan it in the app, because if it pops up in the app that 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon comes off, then that's when I buy it. Because if it doesn't pop up, if it doesn't show up in the Walgreens, if it doesn't show up when you scan it, then it's not going to work when you guys scan the item. So just giving you a heads up. But I ended up getting lots of eyeshadow. Now, I am not a big fan of the Almay eyeshadow. It's too shimmery. It's not very solid, but I would try it again one other time. But I ended up getting 6 of these bad boys. Now, these were on clearance for $3.49. I ended up getting 6 of them. You guys can do this deal as many times as you want, and you can do it all in one transaction if you want. So these were also, but Almay is also on sale for buy one get one 50% off. So even though the tags aren't up for the makeup, for the discontinued stuff, you guys can still scan it on the Walgreens app. So it shows that it's buy one get one 50% off, and it also shows that 4 off of 2 coupon will attach to it. So that's how I know some of this stuff. So what you guys want to do is you guys buy, like, you want to at least buy 2 of them if you guys want. You guys would end up paying $1.23 for both of these. Now that's a pretty decent deal if you guys want to do that. Like you guys know, I do get an employee discount, so I get them a little bit cheaper, but definitely wanted to do this deal because I think the Almay looks nice. I really like it. And then I ended up getting the lip gloss. Now, I didn't do the math for this. Now, this was, what is this? Halo. I don't know. It's like a white, so I don't know if it's like a clear or like a white lip gloss, but it's glittery, and I think it's really pretty. I kind of like it. It matches, it kind of would go with my sweater that I'm wearing right now. But this was $4.49, so I ended up just doing this deal once, so I wanted to try that out. But otherwise, that was a pretty good deal for that. I wanted to do the Hershey Gold, but my store had them for $2 for $3, which was actually cheaper to do at CVS, so I didn't do it there. The Dial soap I thought was buy one get one free, but it's only for the expensive soap, not the cheap soap. So we got that. And then the Kellogg's, I didn't want to get the certain flavors for the coupons that I had, so I didn't do that deal. But my total came to $16.90. Now please remember, I do not pay that price actually out of pocket. I pay with points for every time I did, and I did do true transactions, so I did not truly pay for everything. But my total came to $16.90 before I paid with points. I got a $6 register reward, making it $10.90, but then I got that dollar back with Ibotta, making it just $9.90. I ended up getting 14 items. Before I did the dollar math, it was at 77 cents. So whatever 77 cents times 14 takeaway dollar is. So we got that. So again, not the greatest Walgreens haul, but I wanted to share with you guys stuff, and I haven't been getting very much of the toothpaste and mouthwash. They've been repeating that deal a lot, so I still wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I hope you guys enjoy this haul. Please keep in mind the 70% is coming off and the 90% off. So once the 90 hits, I will be buying stuff just because I love it for 90 cents. So we got 90% off. So we got that going on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.